Guys, welcome to the channel. So listen, I have been swimming, I'm hungry, and I want a snack. So I saw that thing on TikTok, and we are going to make some Parmesan onion chips or whatever they are. Oh no, we're going to use the mandarin. I'm sorry. Oh shoot, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to start with one because I'm not sure which setting I have it on. Let's do another one. Yeah, it's about right size. So guys, don't do like me. If you have one that has the guard, use it, because I've cut my hands so many times being hard-headed. So let me get these sliced up. Okay, I put the guard on it. Okay. That last piece is always ugly. I don't want that anyway. Okay. So I think I'm going to just do one onion, I think. Ooh-wee, they're getting to the eyes. Okay, so I have my foil. Try to get you a little just it. Covered pan. And I've seen this done several ways. I've seen it where they put the cheese on the entire pan, then put the onions, and then put more cheese. But I like to do like little rounds. Now, the first time I made these, you guys, I didn't have Parmesan cheese, which is odd for me because I normally keep a lot of cheeses in the house. And I made it with mozzarella and another cheese that I had. And I thought they were just as good, but we're going to see. This is my first time doing it with the mozzarella, with the Parmesan. So you make your tiles, or however you wanted to do it. If you want to spread it all on the bottom, you can. I probably should have sprayed that foil before, but I didn't. So anywho, so we're gonna loosen these up a little bit. We're gonna lay these on top of the cheese. Take another round. Get on there. And put that on there too. And then do the same all the way around. Let's put this one here. That there. Let's put a small one. I think I want a smaller one there. Okay, so then you guys, I put, take this one off. I put some garlic powder because I want the onion to have flavor. I don't want it to just be cheese and onion. Garlic powder, you know we love it. And then some onion powder. Yep, you know I use onion and onion. And these onions are really making my eyes water. And then we're going to take more cheese. I hear my phone ringing. then we're going to put cheese on top of that. And actually, don't make your onion mounds as big as mine. Make them a little smaller. But you know, sometimes when we're hungry, we don't act right. And you're basically covering that onion up. I don't know if you can see or not. Let me make sure. My camera is around my neck, so sometimes it's hard for me to gauge. Okay, there we go. I think it needs some right there. And I didn't put any salt. I probably should put a little bit, but that's okay. My oven is preheated to 375. And I think this takes about 12 minutes, I believe. I'll tell you once it's done. So this is what it should look like. And we're going to put that in the oven until that mound is too big. That mound of onion. I want that flatter. Anywho, we're going to put this in the oven for about 12 minutes or until the cheese is nice and golden brown and a little crispy. Okay, you guys, so let me alter this little recipe. First of all, do not use foil. I don't know what I was thinking about. You need parchment paper, not foil, because the cheese is going to stick to the foil. If you use parchment paper, it will not. So this is 4 of them. I ate 2. I'm sorry. But this is what they look like. And when I tell you it is so good, they are so, so good. And it's a nice little snack. So I'm going to close here, but you know what I love to always say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.